Escort detectors, including models like the Passport Max 3, iX series, and Max 360C, rely on Wi Fi connectivity for essential features. This connection enables firmware updates to keep the device current, provides access to live traffic data through the Escort Live app, and supports red light camera alerts for safer driving. In 2026, common reasons for Wi Fi connection problems include outdated router security settings that may not support modern protocols, interference from household devices operating on similar frequencies, and occasional incompatibilities with newer Wi Fi standards such as Wi Fi 6E or 7. To troubleshoot and fix these issues, start by ensuring your router uses compatible security like WPA2 or WPA3. Perform a power reset on both the detector and router. Minimize interference by positioning the device away from sources like microwaves or cordless phones. Finally, use the Escort Live app's built-in setup wizard for guided connection steps. First, ensure your home router is using WPA2 or WPA3 security, as older WEP is incompatible. Then, power cycle both your Escort detector and your Wi-Fi router. Finally, make sure your detector is within a strong Wi-Fi signal range, ideally stronger than minus 50 dBm. Move it closer to the router or consider using a Wi-Fi extender. The Escort Live app includes a Connect to Wi-Fi wizard that simplifies connecting your detector to home Wi-Fi. Open the app and navigate to the device settings. This is typically found in the Vehicle tab where your connected devices are listed. Follow the on-screen instructions in the Connect to Wi-Fi wizard. The app will guide you through the process step by step. Ensure you enter the correct Wi-Fi password and that your phone is connected to the same Wi-Fi network you're trying to connect the detector to. This wizard simplifies the process and often resolves initial setup problems. Escort detectors generally use the 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi band for wider compatibility. This band provides better range and penetration through walls, making it more reliable for detector connections. To check or adjust these settings, log into your router's configuration interface. This is usually done through a web browser by entering your router's IP address, such as 192.168.11. Consult your router's manual for the exact address and login credentials. Once logged in, you'll see a settings page like this, where you can configure network bands and authentication methods. Verify that the 2.4 GHz band is enabled and that your detector is connecting to it, not the 5 GHz band. The 5 GHz band offers faster speeds but shorter range and may cause dropouts for detectors. Some routers combine both bands under one network name. If this is the case, temporarily create a separate 2.4 GHz network for the detector setup. This ensures the detector connects to the compatible band. After the detector connects successfully, you can revert back to combining the bands if preferred. This process helps avoid connectivity issues while maintaining detector functionality. If Wi-Fi connection persistently fails, update your Escort detector's firmware manually via USB. First, download the latest firmware from the Escort website onto your computer. Next, connect your detector to your computer using a USB cable. Then, follow the instructions on the Escort website to install the firmware. This ensures your device has the latest fixes and improvements, even without a Wi-Fi connection. Electronic devices like microwaves and cordless phones can interfere with Wi-Fi signals. These devices operate on similar frequencies as Wi-Fi networks, creating electromagnetic noise that disrupts the connection. To resolve this, move your Escort detector away from these potential sources of interference. Position it in a location clear of microwaves, cordless phones, and other electronics that might cause signal disruption. Experiment with different locations to find a spot with a stronger, more stable Wi-Fi signal. Try placing the detector in various areas of your car or garage to identify the optimal position for connectivity. Also, consider using a Wi-Fi analyzer app on your smartphone to check for signal strength and interference in different areas. These apps can scan networks and show signal quality, helping you choose the best location for your detector. In 2026, some Escort detector users report conflicts with smart home ecosystems like Amazon Alexa and Google Home. These integrations can cause intermittent disconnections that disrupt Wi-Fi connectivity. The systems highlighted here can sometimes interfere with the detector's network connection. If you're experiencing these issues, Try temporarily disconnecting your detector from the smart home systems to see if it resolves the connectivity problems. Escort is actively working with chipset providers like Qualcomm to improve Internet of Things compatibility in future firmware updates. Looking ahead, Escort is exploring AI-driven diagnostics to predict and prevent Wi-Fi issues before they occur using machine learning algorithms. Integration with mesh Wi-Fi systems like Google Nest or Eero has reduced connectivity issues by 40% for Escort users, providing seamless coverage throughout homes. 5G home routers are emerging, offering faster firmware updates and better compatibility with modern devices. Expect to see more autonomous IoT capabilities in future models, with automatic failover to cellular networks for uninterrupted connectivity. For now, following the troubleshooting steps outlined should resolve most common Wi-Fi connectivity problems with your Escort detector.